Hello family, welcome back to the channel. I am Devesh from Interazzo and today I'll show you a beautifully designed 4 BHK home at Assetz Marq, designed for Mrs. Richa and Mr. Saurabh. So this house is made using green panel ply which comes with BWP and MR. BWP gives you 25 years of guarantee and MR gives you 7 years of guarantee. Come, I'll show you. As you step in, the foyer welcomes you with calm and character. Based on the client's taste of subtle detailing, we have done wallpaper on this side of the wall and given a mini tall unit with a couple of drawers. We have given head-edge telescopic channels for the drawers, and below we have given shutters which comes with Hafele SS304 anti-rust hinges and soft close. So on this side of the wall decor, we have used MDF wall panels with Decor paint on it. And as we move forward in the living area, our client wanted a camouflage door which hides and merges with the wall decor. In the living area, we have used wall trims with wallpaper. And for the entertainment wall paneling, we have used MDF fluted panels with Decor paint. We have designed a flat fall ceiling in the living area with downlighters and profile lights from High-Vac. In the dining area, we have designed peripheral fall ceiling with POP groovings which flows with the theme. We gave a track light to highlight the photo wall. So for the dining space, our client wanted something light yet useful. So we created a custom crockery unit with laminated frames and fluted glass. For the shutters, we used Hafele SS304 anti-rust hinges, and inside we have given profile light for the soft glow. For the kitchen entrance, we have given laminated entrance paneling. On the same wall, we have given laminated open unit to serve from the kitchen. So this is an imported acrylic finish kitchen, designed to be both sleek and super functional. For the countertop, we have used Nova variant Kalinga Quartz, and for the wall decor, we have given tiles. For the base unit, we have given undersink RO. Next to that, we have given open shutters with storage, and alongside we have given 5 tandem box drawers from Blum which has the weight carrying capacity of 30 kgs each. Next to that, we have given a bottle pull out, and for the corner solution we gave a corner tandem box drawer having the weight carrying capacity of 65 kgs each. For the wall unit, we have designed open and closed storage with laminated open box and also with laminated frame shutters with fluted glass. We have given a hob and chimney from Faber. Above the sink, we have given a GTPT tray to drain the washed utensils. So this is a tall unit which comes with a Blum tip-on mechanism, and we have given shelves for the storage. We have also provided a microwave OTG combi by Hafele. Below we have given a pair of tandem box drawers from Blum. To enhance the beauty, we have given laminated frame ledges with cube profile above the refrigerator. On top of the wall unit, we have given loft in full kitchen for maximum storage. To complete the flow, the passage wall was designed as a feature, finished with a CNC cut panel and cove lighting with wallpapers. This guest bedroom has been designed as a multifunctional space, offering comfort, utility and a touch of spiritual calm. It starts with a hinged wardrobe with a loft for full height storage. Inside we have added two Ebco glass front tandem drawers, which is practical, stylish and easy to access. Now here is something special. At the client's request, we added a Puja unit in the guest bedroom. So in this Puja unit, we have given a pocket door mechanism that slides away neatly. A laminated frame with fabric glass, CNC carved detailing, cove light and a pull-out tray for added functionality. It also includes one Ebco tandem drawer for storage. Along with dual laminated handle that completes the look. And right beside the Puja unit, we have added an open tall unit with built-in profile lighting, perfect for displaying artifacts, books or puja items depending on the occasion. This room also includes a dedicated study setup with a base unit and a wall unit. The wall unit features Blum tip-on mechanism, open box shelves with profile lighting, a writing board that blends right into the room. So we have given a peripheral fall ceiling with a cutout for your curtains. This is the son's bedroom, designed with a focus of clean storage and a dedicated study zone. The wardrobe comes with hinged shutters and a loft, offering generous storage space. An open box with profile lightings adds a modern highlight, great for displaying books, decor or even items within easy reach. The study wall unit is practical and well planned, with open shelves, a Blum HKS lift-up shutter for overhead storage, a writing board for quick notes and soft profile lights that make the space feel bright and easy to use. We gave the flat fall ceiling with downlighters and followed the same POP groove design in this room. The master bedroom has been designed to keep things simple, elegant and functional, just how your personal space should feel. The wardrobe comes with hinged shutters and loft on top, giving you enough space to store everything neatly. The design is finished with a sleek T-profile and a minimal look. But the real highlight? These fluted glass shutters framed with silver aluminium. Not only do they look stylish, but the built-in profile lights add a soft ambient glow every time you open the wardrobe. It is those little things that turn storage into your experience. We have given peripheral fall ceiling with downlighters and cutout for the curtains. Thank you for watching our video. I also want to thank our Intrazos in-house team, including the carpenters. Stay tuned for more projects.